Good evening, everyone. Uh, let's see exercise 3B. Question number 2 through true and false. True or false. So first one is the number of factors of a given number is infinite. So is it true or false? It's false because the number of factors. Let's see the first one. The number of factors of a given number is infinite. Is infinite. This infinite term is what? This infinite term is what? It's unlimited. Yeah, limitless. Limitless. So, for example, 28. So, what is the factor of this? 4 into 7. So, it's fixed. So, it's finite. So, obviously, the first one, the number of factors of a given number is infinite. It's obviously finite. It's finite. Means fixed. Yeah, limited. So now second, every number is a multiple of 1. Obviously, every number is a multiple of 1. Just check it out. 1 into 1, what? 1. 1 into 2, what? It's 2. 3 into 1, या फिर whatever the other values, 100, 1000 into 1, directly it's what? Means every number is a multiple of 1. So it's true. So it's true and this one is false. Now third, 6 is a factor of 27. So let's say, so checking the factor of 27. So it comes out to be what? 3 into 3 into 3. या फिर just like how many factors? If I check it out, 1, 3, 9, 27. So 6. Is there any 6? No. So obviously this is also false. Now fourth one, largest two digit multiple of 9 is 99. So about the multiplication table of 9 is what? 9 into 10. See here, 9 into 10, how much? 90. So greater than what? 9 into 11, how much? It's 90. 99. Beyond that, 3 digit. So obviously it's what? 99. So this one is also correct. Now last one. There exists a natural number which has no factor at all. So if I say this question, there exists a natural number which has no factor at all, this would be valid? No. This is also invalid. So it's directly false. There exists a natural number which has no factor at all. No, we don't have any. Otherwise, this particular second one would comes out to be false. Otherwise, if this is true, if the fifth one is true, then second one comes out to be false. So if every number is a multiple of 1, if this is true, then this fifth one is false. Now so question number 9, 10, 11, 12. Questions that were asked by Afroz Khan, and none other students did ask any question to me. So this is some of the questions. Already I solved question number 2. Now question number 9, 10, 11, 12. So now solving it. Sum of factors of 25. It's question number 9. Sum of factors of 25 is what? So now 25. Factors of 25 is what? 1. How much? 5 and 25 itself. So sum. If we sum it, 1 plus 5 plus 25, how much? 31. 31. 25 factors of 25, 1, 5, 25. So summing, sum of factors. So summing, we have to add it up. So 1 plus 5 plus 25, 25 plus 5, 30 plus 1, 31. So finally it's solved. Now question number 10th. 48 is not a multiple of which one? So divide it directly, the number 48 by 4. So first one, 48 by 4, we don't need to get remainder. What? Remainder 0. We have to get the remainder 0. Directly divide it first. Again in 4, 1, 2, directly 48. Yes, it's a factor 12. So 48 upon 12. So directly how much? So it's also multiple. 12 fours are 48. We don't get any remainder. 18. So 18 dividing 18 directly. 48 divided by 18. Is it possible? No, this is not possible. So obviously C. 16 is also 48. How much? 16. It's 3 times. How much? 48. So directly question number 10th. 48 is not a multiple of. So first one is yes. This is also multiple. This is also multiple. But this is not. This is also a multiple. So finally C is the correct option. So now question number 11th. The greatest 2-digit even multiple of 5 is. So the greatest 2-digit even multiple. Greatest 2-digit even multiple of 5 is. So 2-digit 5. We have to check it out. Even multiple. So this is odd. First one is odd. So it's directly out. So the 2-digit. So this is 3-digit. This is also cancelled out. So now this is not a multiple of what? 5. So directly. So this is the correct option. Now question number 12. I am an even number less than 100. So and now second option is what? One of my factors are 13. 13 factors of 13. So we have to see the table for 13. So 13 and my digits are 1 apart. So we have to check this also. And supposed to be less than 100 and a multiple of what? 13. So directly we can take it out. So 13 into 1 equal to how much? 13. 13 into 2 what? 26. 3 say 39. How much? Again 13. 52. Next 5 times what? 62. Sorry, 65. Next is what? 78. So and again, so we got to see 78. And this is also what? According to the third option, my digits are 1 apart. So 1 apart means what? So these digits are 1 apart because 8 In this 78, if I say 8 minus 1 equal 8 minus 1 या फिर 1 apart, 8 minus 7 equal to 1, so directly it's supposed to be 1 apart या फिर it's 1 apart, so my answer would be what? This. Thank you.